This website, and this website were all built with AI by me. My clients are paying me 10K per website, and it took me only 30 minutes to create them. Knowing how to build websites like this in 2026 is one of the most valuable skills you can have. And after this video, you will know exactly how to do that. Okay, so in this video, we'll create 3 different websites, and they are all very polished. And the first one, that is this one. So you have a logo, we generate something like this. Then we have a concept. So we just have an image of something and we create a 3D version of that. And then we have a thing. So for example, in this case, a scooter. And we are going to turn that real object that you have in your house, so for example, a phone or whatever, into something on a website. So the first one is you have a logo. So what we'll do is we'll go to Claude Design. And right here, we can create a new project. And what we do is we attach a file right here. I have an SVG logo. So I add it, and then I just very simply say, please create a 3D model of this logo. I send it. And then very quickly, we have this logo. And as you can see, we can adjust everything. We can adjust the depth, as you can see right here, which is already pretty cool. Like my logo, seeing that in 3D, very nice. We can change all these settings and we can change the material, the color even. This is cool. But what we can now do is we can get this fine-tuned exactly how we want it and we can share it. So right here, I can click on handoff to Claude Code. So we'll do that, we'll click on copy command, and we can then open a Claude Code window. And I can now add the following. So I paste this, but before I just run this, let me explain you exactly what kind of skill I created to create really cool websites. So we'll go to my folder, and right here I can go to Claude. I then have skills, and then I have the clone study one. And this will actually be a skill, just an MD file. And this MD file explains in detail how we should approach making really good websites. And what we do is we basically have all the award-winning websites. So I will show you that right now. So we have this awards website. And this basically lists all the websites that have been winning awards as they have such nice design. So for example, this website, we can open it. And this website is insane. Like this is very high quality. This is worth 20K at least. Like we can scroll down and it works. Like this is cool. And what we can do is we can use this as example and tell Claude like, hey, every time we want to create a website, search for one reference website and use that to learn how to recreate a website like this. If you're enjoying this video and learning anything from it, please make sure to like and subscribe. So right here, we explain everything about that. And I will share this with a link in the description so you can just copy paste this skill. Right here, we can say choose a good reference website and make one for this design. We can then run this. We can click on bypass permissions and just wait for it to be finished. So let me now show you exactly what it will look like. Right here, we have this website. And we actually took this website as an example for the whole movement and the way this website is built up. So right here, we have our logo. And we can now scroll. And as you can see, everything is taken care of. It is moving, it is animating, it is twisting. It is just looking very cool. And this was done in 30 minutes. Like, I honestly cannot believe this. 3 years ago, I tried to make something the same and I just couldn't get it working. Like, I am not good with 3D, and now seeing this come to life is just amazing. So this one is really cool, but honestly, this one is the most simple of all of them. So the next thing is the following. A few days ago, I was getting ice cream and I made this picture and I now want to make a website for this store. So I think this is a pretty simple and overall 2D image, and we can now take this image and create a 3D website for it. So how we do that is we go to meshy.ai, and what we can do is we can go from image to 3D. So we click that, we can then get our image right here. So that's gonna be this one, and I can now click on generate. So right here, it will turn out like this, right here. So it has no colors yet, but this is basically the ball. And this is coming from a 2D image, so this is pretty cool. I can then click right here and I can add the HD texture. So if I allow that, it will come out like this. As you can see, it got the strawberries, it got the chocolate, it got the ice cream, it got the cookie dough and the bowl itself. And what we can then do is basically the same. So we can then download it right here. We can then get that, go to Claude Code and do the following. So we say, please make a website for Mio. Make it 3D and immersive. Use our skill and use this as the 3D item. We can then go to the plus right here. We can click on add files or photos. And then right here, we have Meshy AI Mio. So we add that and we then run it and it will come up with an award-winning website, get that as a reference point, and then from there, customize it exactly how we want it. So from there, it is actually just fine-tuning, just going through the website, saying, hey, this should move a bit different. It should show the ball a bit more. And I won't take you through that. I do that on purpose. Like I could show you the exact process, but it is very simple. It is very much like, hey, I am currently looking at the website and I see that this is not working nicely. You just tell that to Claude Code and it will understand exactly what you mean. So we arrive on the website and when we scroll, this happens. And this is just like, this is really taking a simple website into something amazing. And the nice thing is that this is all not a lot of work anymore. So the first one was actually getting my logo to 3D and then animating that through the website. The second one was getting an image, just a regular image, and turning that into 3D. The last one is actually turning something in your room to something 3D and putting that on a website. For this one, we are going to use Polycam, and this is an iOS app you can just get on your phone. You can get your object and start making images of it, and it will render a 3D model for you. So in my case, I have my scooter right here outside. And on this video right here, you can see exactly what I did. So I was just walking around it, making images, and it created a 3D model from those images. And this is just amazing. We can then very simply just download that, put it into Claude Code, and ask the exact same thing we did in the last few ones. Also, if you want more in-depth information about how to actually do this, I'm pretty sure if you look it up on YouTube, you will get an explanation. We can add files or photos. So this is the output from Polycam, and we can then say the exact same. So get an award-winning website, then use that as reference. Make sure to make a very nice looking website for my Xmax. And this is the only thing that we need to do. Then we get our first version, and from there, it is just fine tuning. Like I am pretty sure if you've worked with AI in the last few years, you know how to prompt, you know how to see what is happening and think like, hey, this text should be a bit bigger. You can just ask it. If you think, hey, it should have more zoom, it should be more immersive, you can just ask it. So we run this and then I will show you exactly what it looks like after 30 minutes of fine tuning. So right here we have it, and I can now show you exactly what it looks like right here. So we load the page, and as you can see, the scooter is right here, and we can then scroll and it will then be moving exactly how we want. So right here, quiet, quick, considered, it's zooming in, it's zooming out. And then right here, it's showing the range, stuff like that. And then at the end, we have our CTA and it's perfectly placed right here. We can have our CTA right here, but also the rest about this website, the footer, the header, the whole styling, that was also so simple because it knows exactly what an award-winning website looks like. So really cool. I honestly like all of them, and I think this is opening a lot of opportunities for us to create amazing websites for either ourselves or for someone else, a client. Like showing them something like this with their product already, that's so cool. Also, I will share this skill with you in the description so you can just get started, and in 30 minutes you will have an amazing website. Thanks for sticking around until the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned anything from it. Now I want to ask you one thing. Please try it out and make websites like this. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe, and then we'll see each other in the next video.